99, State of Texas versus Alejandro Nuncio. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Ryan Grimmer for the state of Texas.
For the defense?
Adam LaHood for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Nuncio?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Nuncio, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced? That's a state jail felony.
Let's pause right here. A state jail felony might sound lighter than prison time, but don't be fooled. It's still serious, up to 2 years behind bars and a $10,000 fine. And this charge is enhanced, meaning it's not his first run-in with the law.
The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
I plead no contest, ma'am.
No, but did you intend?
Oh.
I appreciate that. But did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
8 months may not seem like much, but it's his third or fourth stint in jail. The system's offering a deal, but at what cost? What happens when the courts stop making offers?
No.
All right. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. According to the plea bargain agreement, your punishment is to be assessed at 8 months in the state jail facility, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes,
So
Judge.
the offense is charged in an indictment. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Judge. State would offer state's exhibit number 1.
No objections, Judge.
The court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Okay.
Yes, Judge. State would offer this single piece of paper to supplement state's exhibit number 1.
No objections, Judge.
All right, then that will be admitted. After reviewing state's exhibit number 1 with the supplement, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge, and we'll waive PSI.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would just ask the court to please follow the plea bargain, which he has struck with the district attorney's office and all matters. I think he just wants to do his time and be able to put this behind him.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court, as previously stated, is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 8 months in the state jail facility and give you credit for any time served. Showing what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea.
Here comes a key reminder. Felons lose the right to own guns. Even a single bullet can lead to another felony. The judge makes sure he knows it, but will he actually follow through when he's back on the streets?
Bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal them.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just one moment off the record. Caroline, can you make sure that this attachment is stapled with this? Also, back on the record, also, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak with an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Nuncio, how old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
All right, you're 29 years old. I've looked at the stipulation by the state, and I understand that there may be drug issues that are involved and other issues that are going on. If you don't make a change in your life, one, let me tell you what's going to, my prediction. All right, I hope it doesn't happen, but this is the prediction. You're either going to end up ODing or something on drugs, right? Because people who make drugs.
And this is the moment that hits hard. The judge predicts his future OD or 20 years in prison. This isn't just sentencing anymore. It's a warning shot across the bow. Do you think he'll take it seriously or ignore it like all the others?
They're not concerned about getting FDA approval because it's not FDA approved. They're not concerned about the person who's consuming it. They're just trying to get their money and sell it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you continue picking up these theft cases, what's going to end up happening is you're going to find yourself listed as a habitual. And then you're going to be looking at prison time, not state jail facility time. And then you could probably end up with 20 years. Someone may look at this and say, we're done with you. There's nothing else we can do for you. We're going to send you to prison for 20 years. So of your 29 years on this planet, how much time have you spent locked up? And that means Bear County Jail or any county jail or any kind of prison. How much time?
Like 6 months, maybe more.
No, it was more than that because you have a prior that's a felony.
About a year.
Let that sink in months stacked on months for drugs theft, and more that's years gone locked away. How many wake-up calls does someone need before they finally break the cycle?
It has to be more than that. So let me see his file again, please.
I think the previous was a state jail theft, though.
He also has this, I believe, a state jail less than a grand.
Oh, yeah, true.
Been in custody since January of this.
All right. So you've done 6 months on a possession case. You've done 6 months on a theft case. You've done 18 days. You've done 17 days, and now you're doing 8 months. And when you think about it, that's a lot of time to be taken out of your life where you don't have the freedom to do what you want to do. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you continue on the path that you're on, you're going to find a majority of your life is spent in and out of custody in prisons. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right, well, that may be a good thing because you need to get your life together. And I don't think anybody who starts school in kindergarten, they're thinking, oh, when I grow up, I want to spend a majority of my time in custody. Or when I grow up, I want to be a drug addict. Or when I grow up, I want to be a person who steals. So you got to get it together. Otherwise, it's not going to end well for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Maybe excused.
Yes, may be excused. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 002305, State versus Alejandro Nucio. Could I have the parties announced?
Jason Gearhead for the state, Your Honor.
Danielle Cranberg for the defense.
And are you Mr. Nuncio?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Nuncio, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Nuncio, did you review the admonishments with your attorney?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions?
No.
That's a state jail felony?
No.
Just 1 second, sorry. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Your Honor.
Mr. Nuncio, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the state jail facility. There's $1,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand those were, that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counselor, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
When the judge asks, why do you keep stealing their silence? A mumble this moment right here captures what addiction and desperation look like not just in words, but in what's missing accountability.
All right, state you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Please, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just asked the court to follow the agreement, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Nuncio, why do you continue to steal? What's going on in your life?
I'm just I'm choosing that and this
Let me ask you this. How old are you?
33.
All right. Do you want to spend the rest of your life in and out of prison?
No, no.
So you're going to have to make some changes. If the issue is you don't have money for food or you don't have money for things, then you're going to have to get a job.
Yes, ma'am.
However, if there are drug issues that are going on with you or mental health issues, there is free help for you. You understand? When you're released from custody, if I'm still here and you can't find a place, if you come back here, I'll pick up the phone call to get you some help, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money to run concurrent. I'll request the therapeutic community. And there's to be no contact with Walgreens.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.